welcome back to the channel. And yes, I have a new jacket or coat, whatever you want to call it. Now, you can't actually buy these in a shop. You have to have it specially made by YouTube, believe it or not, and I won it. Yeah, look, it's even got my name on it. Look, Yorkies, Bits and Bobs Home Tech. See that? What do you think? Smart or what? Let me move about a bit so you get a better picture. How's that? Da, da, da. Woo! Right, done that. It's very comfortable, by the way, and thank you very much, YouTube. Yes, actually won it on YouTube. Actually won it just before Christmas 2024. And it took about 3 months for them to actually get it made and sent to me. And I'm very pleased and very chuffed that I actually won one. Like I said, you can't actually buy these in the shop. And before you get carried away and click off, no, this is not the mystery unboxing. I have a box there for the mystery unboxing. And the reason it's a mystery unboxing because I don't know what it is. So I thought, oh, I could do a mystery unboxing. So with that, and with my new coat on, or jacket, yeah, very pleased. I should wear this down the high street and see what people think of it. They'd be amazed. Let me know in the comments whether you think I should wear it down the high street and film it all and see what comments I actually get. Could be hilarious, could be terrifying as well. So let's see exactly what you get, or what is actually in this box. Now, it's been tracked, so it's come by Royal Mail. Not my favourite delivery firm, but you know, it is what it is. And the reason I wore the jacket is because it says YouTube, and I thought, oh, have I won something else? Can't remember. Seriously, I don't know. So I'm going to find out right now. I mean, the box on its own should be worth a fortune, shouldn't it? So YouTube, that is not a box you want to throw away, is it? If you're doing YouTube videos, you don't want to throw a box like that away, especially with YouTube on it. And yeah, there's nothing around it, there's no indication. And to be honest, I did undo the outer boxing, but I never undid this box because I want to know what's inside as much as what you do. And I thought, no, I'll make a video about it. So here we go. And you can look first. Da, da, da. Oh, there's a leaflet here. What's this say? English. Please retain this information for future reference. Clapper. Oh my God, I know what it is. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. It's a clapperboard. Yes, thank you. Yeah, I do remember doing this now. I forgot all about it. Let me get it out. I have a clapperboard, a YouTube clapperboard. Yes, you can't win this. It came up on an email saying, you know, you can select an item and you know, what would you like? And I thought, oh, a clapperboard. Woohoo! Forgot all about that. Honest, it's magnetic. I can feel that. See that? Did that click? Yeah. YouTube channel video takedown. Oh, let me do it again. YouTube channel video take date. Yeah, brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much. Let's see if I can do a nice bit of writing. I don't know. I don't know what to say now. I'm just going to say thank you. Yeah, thank you. So, thank you, YouTube. It's been a pleasure, and I'm going to carry on making more videos just to annoy everyone. So with that, if you like this little short video, again, subscribe, click on the bell for notifications, and give this video, or any of my videos, a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Brilliant. I love it.